Hello loves! Welcome to my channel. This is your Tita Laguachera, Love Miss Rowan. If it's your first time to be on my channel, please watch all my previous video and subscribe. Thank you! This is now part 2 of my US travel diary. Enjoy! So, we are finally here in the US. We had a good night's sleep at the Residence Inn. And Sunday is our free day. So, what to do? Yes, shopping agad! O diba, first day pa lang, shopping galore na agad ang mga titas ninyo. I have a separate blog about my shopping spree in the US, so make sure to watch it. After shopping, time to eat our lunch. Salamat, Team Lakap! Wow, ito ang lunch namin for today. Ang laki naman ng ribs na ito. Salamat! Grabe, ang sarap. Busog na busog ang Tita Laguachera. Siyempre, busog na. Kaya, time to go for sightseeing naman. So we went to Sunflowers of Sanborn. At meron din akong separate vlogs about this, so make sure to watch it. Oh, hello, Monday. It's our first day of work to Moog Inc. And the first agenda of the day, take a picture in front of the Moog Inc. building. This is OOTD number 1. Charot! We also had a chance to meet our former managing director who is now based in the US, Didi, and also my boss, Kim Jordan. After work, it's time to have some fun. We had our dinner at Andale, a Mexican restaurant. This is with the materials team, together with Kathy and Team Aldro. It was a good birthday prank for Charles. Well played, Raul. Well played. The food here is awesome. It's really a true Mexican food. And we also had a tequila shot, so it was a good night's sleep for us. Time to sleep. It's a gloomy Tuesday morning, so I didn't have the chance to take my OOTD outfit. Actually, during lunchtime, we had a small hail. Look at those snow pellets. It feels like it is snowing, especially for us that we are not really used with this kind of rain. We were praying that it will stop since today is our trip to Niagara Falls for the Maid of the Mist, although we might get wet during the tour. Sean Ruminski from Materials Management Group brightened up our day by bringing Paula's Donut. Paula's Donut is one of the best donut in Buffalo, New York. It is so big and delicious. Kaya yan, half lang ang kinuha ko kasi baka hindi ko na naman maubos. They usually have big servings here in the US. Ayan, kain na naman. Ang sarap, di ba, Roan? I can say that Buffalo, New York weather is similar to Baguio City. Some parts are raining, some don't. We had a good weather during our Maid of the Mist boat tour. Please watch my separate blog to see my experience on this must-try adventure. Worth it siyang panoorin, guys, and worth din ninyong i-try. After that, we had our Italian dinner at Michael's, which is located near Niagara Falls, which is their Little Italy area. Thank you, Jeff, Michelle, Kim, and Shane for this wonderful trip. We enjoyed it. It's Wednesday, middle of the week, but first, OOTD muna before work. We always have a free lunch for our materials workshop, kaya yum, 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 yum. After work, time for dinner and sightseeing. Thanks to my colleague, Nate, and his wife, Mary, for inviting us for dinner. We were surprised and delightful that they brought us to the Buffalo Naval Park. This is actually included in our to-do list during the weekend. The Buffalo and Erie County Naval and Military Park is a historic museum on the shore of Lake Erie in Buffalo, New York. It is the largest inland naval park in the U.S. It is located on Buffalo's waterfront and it features 4 decommissioned naval vessels that serve in a variety of military conflicts in the U.S. history. We didn't have the chance to go inside the naval vessels since it's past 5 p.m. already. So, the museum is already closed. Ayun o, may mga ganyan pa o.
Kapag sa Pilipinas, nakakala yan.
Kaya nga. Ayan, may video natin sila.
Parang reviews talaga
Sa mga soldiers, no? Ang galing nga eh. Wow! Ang ganda, no? Hello! They also have the Monuments Garden, honoring several lifetimes of service in the U.S. Armed Forces. This space serves as a quiet place for remembrance and reflection to honor and remember all the veterans. We were able to see the outdoor exhibit yard. It actually shows some of the largest military equipment. Look at that! Ang laki, di ba? After our quick walking tour and some sightseeing, we had our dinner at the Liberty Hound. This is actually one of my favorite restaurants. Siyempre dahil merong rice. Alam mo naman, pag Pinoy, kanin ang hinahanap. Plus, look at that amazing view. Enjoy na enjoy kaming mag-dinner habang nanonood ng mga boats. Ang daming outdoor activity ngayong summer dito sa US. Merong mga kayaking. Ang cute ng ano niya po. After dinner, time to explore the Buffalo Canalside and find Shark Girl. This is so nice. We passed by the Buffalo Maritime Center, the long shed at Canalside. It was erected in 1825 and the first building in the area. The first floor of the long shed is a large open work area in which the Erie Canal boat, the Seneca ship, is being built. This is where my retired colleague, Dave, is volunteering and helping to build the Seneca ship. After taking tons of pictures, time to walk and search for Shark Girl. The hunt for Shark Girl. Shark girl! And the search is over. Here she is. Shark Girl is one of the famous selfie destination in Buffalo. Hi, Shark Girl! Yay! It is so nice. Hi.
Come on.
Bye, Shark Girl. The statue is a fish out of water and symbolizes a desire for normalcy. It is the absurd, hilarious, and bittersweet creation of artist Casey Riordan Millard. After seeing Shark Girl, it's time to go home. But wait, look at that beautiful sunset. I guess it's time to walk and look at the Buffalo Lighthouse. Ang ganda niya. Grabe, ang ganda dito. Both sa umaga at sa gabi. Look at those beautiful lights. So nice. Again, thank you Nate and Mary for touring us around the Canalside. This ends our USA Travel Diary Part 2. Watch out for Part 3. Thank you for watching, loves.